So, maybe we can figure something out between us. That was a joke.
I know. I don't know how to start.
To be the man that you love to hate. I create every day feeling great. Now everybody see me, they say, oh my God, what happened to you, man? I thought you was gone.
So what do we do?
I don't know. I mean, it's what I want, but it's what was.
If you listen to your son or anyone, they can tell you that he'd rather live here.
Stop putting your feelings about me onto Henry.
He tells me he likes it better here.
He tells you because he knows it's what you want to hear.
You're being so much like your father.
Do not compare me to my father.
I didn't compare you to him. I said you were acting like him.